Here we have the M104.990 crankshaft that I am planning to put into my M104.980 project engine. The significance of this is that it's actually a 3.2 litre engine, so it has the 84mm stroke versus the 80.4 that the 3 litre crank has. It's actually in very good condition. It probably just needs a polishing, which I will get the machine shop to do. I'll get them to check the balance and maybe even lighten it if required when I get them to install the new pistons, and then that bottom end is ready to go. Unfortunately, I couldn't get it back to Western Australia. I'm going to have to arrange it to be sent by road. I was unaware that you can't have items smelling like oil vapor or fuel, etc., going via air. As soon as they knew it was a car engine part, they ripped open my box and pulled all of the packaging apart and literally sniffed it and said, yeah, we can't let this go. This smell is getting even stronger. This was how I packed it. There was no way that was moving around. It was wrapped very securely. But hey, at least I got a flight out of it. Got to visit the parents, have Christmas lunch, etc. So I'm back home now, but minus a crankshaft, unfortunately. One of the problems with living in the most isolated city in the world, Perth, Western Australia, is that parts for these cars are hard to come by sometimes. As soon as the car gets a bit old and they start ending up being scrapped, you've pretty much got no chance of ever getting parts locally, unless it was a very popular model, of course. But these particular engines that I'm after, they're extremely rare over here. I have not been able to find a crankshaft at all, hence why I had to buy one from interstate. People ask absolute top dollar for any kind of 3.2 litre M104 engine, and I'm just not willing to pay exorbitant prices for something that I know is just not worth what they're asking. Now I must sleep off the headache that I acquired during my flight back to Perth. Unfortunately, I needed to drink an entire bottle of champagne to soothe my feelings of disappointment by not getting my 990 crankshaft loaded on board. In reality, it's not really going to set me back because the machine shop won't be open before that crankshaft gets here by road anyway, so it's no big deal. I just have to be a bit more patient. I know it's coming, and this is happening. So let's just get on with it.